Hey, what's up YouTube? Custom PC Review here, and today I have yet another unboxing for you, and it's gonna be the Asrock Z68 Pro3 M micro motherboard. And basically I'm gonna be using this motherboard for an office machine. So it's not gonna be one of your high-end boards. So I mean, this is only about $120, $130 or so, but it's gonna do the job just fine. Over here, I'm just going to go through the list of things. It has Virtu, which is nice. It allows you to use your GPU and your CPU's integrated graphics card at the same time. And this is probably something I'm not going to be worried about because I'm not going to be using a video card. However, for those who purchase this motherboard, you know, in hopes of using it as a gaming board, it's going to be good. And here is these three stepping built-in visuals, like I said earlier, fast USB, Windows 7 Core, Intel Core i7, so it's going to be an 1155 motherboard. And on the side, nothing. Okay, on the back, you've got dual channel DDR3 up to 2133 megahertz, 100% all solid capacitor design, supports the K-series unlocked CPU, which I will be using a 2500K CPU in that socket. It supports 2x USB 3.0 ports here and multi VGA out. So it's got a VGA VGA, DVI, all that good stuff. HDMI display port. Gigabit LAN, combo cooler option, 7.1 channel audio, 2x SATA 3, and all that good stuff. Here's X-Fast USB. Apparently it's 185% faster. It's great. Disk benchmark, 145% faster. SRT for smart response technology allows you to use a SSD in conjunction with a hard disk drive to make performance faster for a hard disk. And you've got Intel HD graphics built in, which I'm going to be using Virtu. It's got a graphical UEFI, which is awesome to work with. So I'm just going to go ahead and open the box so you can take a look at what this motherboard looks like. Alright, so in here you've got, first thing is the manual. No, I'm not going to read that for now. You've got two SATA cables. You've got the CD. Of course, as we all know, definitely go to the manufacturer's website, go download the latest drivers because those are probably outdated. Got the rear I/O panel, more papers, more papers, more papers, more papers, and you have the actual motherboard itself. So I'm going to take it out real quick. We're going to take a look and see what this motherboard is all about. Alright, so let's see what this budget board includes. Alright, so here you have the 1155 socket. You do have solid capacitors, which is nice, even though this is a budget board. And over here you have the 8-pin connector. Over here you have the 24-pin connector. Here you have 4 DDR3 slots. Up here you have a 4-pin fan connector. And going around this side, you have 2, let me see that, SATA, that looks like a SATA 3 6 gigabit. So these are the faster ones, which I'm probably going to be plugging the SSDs into. And here's another fan header right here. And right here you have a couple more SATA, probably SATA 3 3 gigabit per second ports right here. All your headers. You have USB, you have 2 of them here, and floppy here, LPT1 if anybody still is interested in using that, which I am not. Skipping over HD audio. Coming around the front, you do have one PCI Express 16X slot. So just in case you are building a gaming PC, you can put one of the high-powered video cards in there. Only one, but for a $130 motherboard, I would not be expecting an SLI or a Crossfire type of configuration. So in the back panel, you get two USB 2.0s, one keyboard port, VGA, DVI. You get your display port, your HDMI port, and you get two more USBs, probably an eSATA, two more USB 3.0s, Ethernet, and your sound output. And it does include a digital out, which is very nice. Alright, so this is the quick unboxing of one of the new motherboards I will be using. It's called the Asrock Z68 Pro3 M, and it'd be a great choice for anyone who's looking to build their new office machine or a budget gaming machine, actually. So definitely subscribe to my channel. I've got a whole bunch of reviews coming up that are going to be very interesting. So stay tuned and keep watching.